But my plan, okay, so this is the plan, right?
Mm-hmm.
All these drip rails go on the outside. Cool. Okay, so my plan, we're kind of taking all the fucking windows, man.
Yeah.
So. But to be maximum cheapness is basically cut like all the rivets from like here up. Well, probably every rivet from here up, right?
Yeah.
All the way around the bus. I'll take this bitch off. Right, and then we'll have to just lean this panel out.
Yeah.
Probably with some blocks. You'll probably be able to bend it out to about here before you fuck it up, right?
Yeah.
And then that way, when you put your upright in here,
yeah.
Right, because if the cut's there, you need to weld here, and then as far away as you can get from it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? That's basically the deal.
Gotcha.
That's it. And that's the only reason we need to pull this away some is so we can get down in here to weld the. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
That's why everybody does it right there. It's so much easier. But there's like 1, 2. There's like 8, 16. Like if you bought those little hat rails that they make,
Yeah.
it's $23 a piece. Yeah, we're getting ready to cut it in half. I scratched the paint.
Shame. It's coming out of your salary.
It's funny that I get mad about shit like that. I'm like, wait, I can't really cut this bitch in half. What the hell does it matter?
Is it true?
Ah, that's cool.
Yeah, any number you want.
I approve.
It really
Okay.
hit my ear.
Alright.
These are cool.
Front of the bus not well riveted.
Oh shit. You want me to hold it? Yeah. I got this. Stop. How about you, Daisy? Oh, you being naughty girl. Be naughty girl. Okay, I'll take the ball. There you go, Opie. Take the ball. Run away! Who got it? Opie stole it.
Get the thing peeled back.
I gotcha.
We could maybe not take these. Well, I mean, but we could just take that and maybe lean it there.
Right.
Yeah, let's try that.
Okay.
That's pretty slick, dude.
Yeah, it looks good. Not too bad.
Well, what I'm trying to do is not lose this piece of metal, because, like, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I gotta we gotta do all the work. The cut's gotta be like right here.
Yeah.
We don't need to lose this metal, but we gotta get it out of the way.
Yeah.
Are you having trouble hearing me? I could speak up.
I can hear you just fine, baby.
Yeah, I'm no longer scared about cutting the whole side of the butt off.
Yeah.
Like, I'll just boop boop if I really have to. I don't even care.
Right.
Those are the ones I was worried about, and they're easier than these.
Yeah, exactly. I'm actually surprised at how easy that was.
That
Sweet.
beats the shit out of drilling, dude.
Yeah.
Okay, so now what we need to do is see if we can try to peel this off.
Okay, we take the windows out?
Maybe.
Yeah.
There is some kind of some.
Mm-hmm.
Right there. Maybe this side? See if we're loose and floppy.
Do you have like anything to pry it with? You got screwdrivers, stop it.
I can't decide if it's a tack weld or seam sealer, dude.
It's hard to say. It seems like a really good seam, like right there. You know what I mean?
Yeah, it's really. Unusually stuck is the word I'm looking for.
Uh-huh. Extension cord?
Most destructive tool known to mankind.
Yeah, come right up. Put this down, please. What are you cleaning out? Just goop? Ew. Ew. Stop moving. That's gross. Is it still not wiggling? Oh, there it goes. Do you need help?
Yeah, Z butt. Thanks.
Riveting.
Never been done before.
It's just stuck on 2 rivets. Now just one.
How many?
Just one. Yeah, it's just this one right here.
One.
Just one. I can probably get them out if you give me some sort of screwdriver to stick my hand in there. Pull them out. Oh, hi.
Yes, sir. Reach, bro.
It must be taped on there.
Must be. Do you want me to go behind it and look? heat gun? Oh, there we go.
That was close.
That's in the way, huh?
And
Go ahead. I need a smaller Phillips head though. Yeah, that's pretty good, yeah.
I think we're gonna at least have to
Take these off? Yeah.
To get a decent amount of flex.
Okay.
That is what I'm thinking.
Okay. Yeah. Sure enough. You think this is just superficial?
Oh yeah, I still think it goes on. It might be real crazy long, but I gotta know it. Yeah, that's that screw.
Sweet.
Force enough.
Oh yeah, plenty. That's pretty good.
I don't know about plenty, but I mean, I would say. Hey, some wood rounds right here. How convenient.
How did you jack the bus up, by the way?
Huh?
How did you jack the bus up?
What do you mean?
Put wood underneath it.
What the fuck do you think? I lifted it up with my dick.
Do you have a thing that's that big?
A jack?
Yeah.
It says 4 tons on it.
Oh.
It was not heavy.
Yeah, but Brad's like, I'm not sitting underneath this thing.
Oh,
Oh,
no.
that's crazy. These come out.
Yeah. Easy.
No, I know. I pushed it back in. Doing you a favor.
All even these things are full of black coal.
You. I don't.
It's more of it.
Great.
Everywhere, Bob.
Why do they have them in the bones? Are they really that hollow?
I think we'll probably end up taking these things off.
Yeah.
It's not a big deal at all.
Oh, the whole like skin.
Well, I think we can take the skin like down like this.
Yeah.
Where's my next row of rivets?
Right here.
Where's it at?
Right here.
See, at this point, only these ones are the ones that will actually hold to the bus.
Yeah.
So I could like pop like that top row.
Yeah.
But I wouldn't want to, because it's getting hard. You're getting like to where it's gonna be hard to reach down
Yeah.
any further to reinstall.
Right.
So
Reinstall rivets.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I could pop one more, but I cut it like here, right?
Where at?
Like 3 inches below that, right?
Yeah.
Then I can get a weld there.
Yeah.
And there, right?
Right.
So it's like there and there. I mean, it's still 2 welds.
Right.
Not super.
You said you're gonna do MIG for that?
Yeah. Yeah, no, we're gonna fucking get in there and take all the bullshit. So. Damn near impossible.
Opie, I love you.
They're all special. They're just different.
Mm-hmm. Ooh. Nice hole you got there, Opie. Oh, Jesus.
It's like, same to you, ma'am.
That's all she said.
Where's my wood?
Your
Mom,
wood?
put your hand in my wood.
Do not, though.
There.
Yeah.
Cut. Then weld and weld. I'll feel better about that. You know what I mean?
Show me again.
Like, you can get a torch, I guess, how far down it's here.
Yeah.
So you can get a weld. And then a weld.
Uh-huh.
Cut. Right? And
Yeah.
Weld, then weld.
Yep.
You can pull this back.
You think it's
still haven't rolled out, popping these on. These are easy to work with.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Cool.
See the TX3? See that aluminum block?